I'd like to show you something today. I was just thinking, I built a huge snow pile. It's like my height. Well, I'm gonna dive all the way over it. Call of Duty Black Operations style dolphin dive. All the way over. I'm gonna show you how good they used me for the video game to show them how the dolphin dive. I was born a dolphin. Swamp Park Gray. Like this. It's for you, baby. Alright, here we go. Alright, maybe that wasn't that great. I'll try it on that one. It's a little bit shorter. Oh. Sorry, I lied, Mommy. They didn't use me for the Black Operations dolphin dive style. So, I lied. I'm really sorry. I'll show you how to dolphin dive next time. I'm going inside.